my god, it's the Boeing train.
It's what?
It's the Boeing train.
Oh man,
There's some fuselations.
that's crazy.
That's my first time ever seeing that.
That's cool.
The very first line of like after
Pilots plan on it. It's a good thing they don't have the wings on.
Yeah.
Fine.